Hello viewers, welcome back. You're watching First Step School of Banking. We take the first step for your success. This is Reasoning with Rudu. Follow our blog, Telegram and Facebook group. If you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe it and click the bell icon to receive our notifications. Today, we are going to solve a puzzle of 3 variables. Difficulty level is moderate. Before we start, are you ready for the challenge? Are you good at current affairs? Do you want to learn current affairs with fun? Please participate in Quiz with Rudu on Sunday 11 a.m. This week we are going to have quiz on July month current affairs. Mention in comment box whether you are ready to participate the live quiz on coming Sunday. Yes, of course viewers, Sunday means quiz day. Now we can go into the problem. 7 friends Sachin, Dhoni, Virat, Rohit, Ganguly, Kapil and Zahir were born in 7 different months of the same year. Was January, February, March, April, June, November and December, but not necessarily in the same order. Each of them likes different sports, was cricket, tennis, volleyball, football, badminton, formula racing and aerobics, but not necessarily in the same order. So there are 7 friends, they were born in 7 different months and they like 7 different sports. Next. Dhoni was born in a month immediately before the month in which the one who likes aerobics was born. Ganguly was born immediately before the month in which the person who likes badminton was born. Ganguly was not born in the month which has less than 30 days. Sachin was born immediately before the month in which the one who likes volleyball was born. Sachin was not born in the month which has less than 31 days. Only 2 persons were born between the months in which the one who likes volleyball and Zahir were born respectively. Virat was born neither in the month which has 28 days nor in the month which has 30 days. The one who likes football was born after the month in which the one who likes aerobics was born. Kapil was born in February. The one who likes formula racing was born before Kapil. The one who likes cricket was born in the month which has 31 days but not in January. Zahir likes neither cricket nor aerobics. Only 3 persons were born between the months in which the one who likes badminton and Virat was born respectively. Note: assume the months to be in the consecutive orders. Because months நம்ம சொல்லும்போது Jan, February, March, April, May, June, July, August ஃபுல்லா தான் வரும் months per year பார்க்கும்போது. பட் நம்மளுக்கு இந்த 7 particular months தான் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So அதுதான் ஒரு நோட்டா கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Assume that these months are in consecutive orders. That is அடுத்தடுத்து இருக்கிறதா just you are assuming it. Now we are going to solve the problem. As we usually say, when you have your rough sheet, you divide half of your sheet for clues, for writing the clues, and half for solving the problem. That is, for making a table or a circular arrangement, you have to draw a circle like that. Here in months, we are writing the 7 months which they have given in the question: January, February, March, April, June, November, and December. And we have given columns for person and the clues related to person, sports and the clue related to sports. Here is a small table which says the number of days because there is 7 months. சில monthsல 31 days இருக்கும், சிலதுல 30 days, சிலதுல 28, 29 days இருக்கும். அந்த மாதிரி நமக்கு questionலயே கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. இந்த மாதிரி month வச்சு வரும்போதுமே maximum questionsல you will have the number of days in that month. So January, March and December will be 31 days. February 28 or 29. They have not mentioned whether it is a leap year or not. So you can take it as 28 or 29 days. April, June, November, you'll be having 30 days. அது வந்து நீங்க சால்வ் பண்ணும்போது கடைசி டைம்ல மறந்துட கூடாது. So for that we are just giving a note. First clue. Dhoni was born in a month immediately before the month in which the one who likes aerobics was born. Dhoni was born in a month immediately before the month in which the one who likes aerobics was born. Aerobics பிடிச்சவங்களுக்கு முன்னத்து monthல Dhoni has born. That is clue number 1. Next. Ganguly was born immediately before the month in which the person who likes badminton was born. Badminton பிடிச்சவங்களுக்கு immediate முன்னாடி monthல Ganguly was born. So we are taking that as clue number 2. Ganguly was not born in the month which has less than 30 days. 30 days க்கு கம்மியா இருக்கிற monthல he has not born. So 30 days கம்மியால எந்தெந்த month வரும்? Only February will be coming. So Februaryல Ganguly has not born. So இங்க into G, இங்க ஒரு into G. யூஸ்வலா பாத்தீங்கன்னா நம்மளுக்கு நேம்ஸ் இல்ல மந்த்ஸ் ஃபுல்லா இருக்கும்போது அதோட ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லெட்டர்ஸ் மட்டும் எழுதிப்போம். ஏன்னா எக்ஸாம் டைம்ல நீங்க ஃபுல்லா எழுதுறதுக்கு will not be having that much time to solve the problem. So you just write the first letter of the names. If 2-3 persons are the same letter starting, then you write the first 2 letters like that. Next. Sachin was born immediately before the month in which the one who likes volleyball was born. Volleyball பிடிச்சவங்களுக்கு before monthல Sachin has born. That is clue number 3. Next. So Sachin was not born in the month which has less than 31 days னு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. 31 days க்கு கம்மியா இருக்கிற monthல Sachin has not born. So he has born in the month that is the first column, January, March or December. அந்த மூணு மாசத்துல தான் ஏதோ ஒரு மாசத்துல Sachin has born. So we have written as yes, A in that. Next clue. Only 2 persons were born between the months in which the one who likes volleyball and Zahir were born respectively. So person who likes volleyball க்கும் Zahirக்கும் நடுவுல பாத்தீங்கன்னா 2 person தான் இருக்காங்க. So we are taking that as our clue number 4, Zahir, 2 person gap. Then we are having a person who likes volleyball. But we don't know who comes first and who comes next. ஏன்னா இமிடியேட்டா இருந்தா நமக்கு யாரு மேல யாரு கீழன்னு தெரியும். இங்க நமக்கு மேல கீழ சொல்லல. So who has born earlier we don't know. So just we are putting a double-sided arrow mark. Next. Virat was born neither in the month which has 28 days nor in the month which has 30 days. Neither norna idiliyum kediyadu adiliyum kediyadu. So it is not 28 days, it's not 30 days. So it is obviously 31 days. That is in the first row you can see Jan, March, December. And idhula da Virat is also born. Next clue. The one who likes football was born after the month in which the one who likes aerobics was born. The one who likes football was born after the month in which the one who likes aerobics was born. So aerobics ku adutha maasthila the one who likes football has born. That is clue number 5. எப்பவுமே clues எழுதும்போது viewers please number the clues because நீங்க அந்த clue-வ நீங்க sumல அப்ளை பண்ணிட்டீங்களா இல்லையாங்கறத நம்பர் பண்ணீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு ஈஸியா இருக்கும். எடுத்து அப்ளை பண்ணிட்டு you can cancel it. Kapil was born in February. It is a direct clue viewers. So February direct you can mention it as Kapil. இங்கேயும் person clue I have written as Kapil. For Kapil I have written as K. The one who likes formula racing was born before Kapil. Kapilukku munnadi the one who likes formula racing has born. That is clue number 6. Kapilukku munnadi formula racing game. The one who likes cricket was born in the month which has 31 days but not in January. 31 days. In the question la pathina 31 days irukadhu 3 month la irukku. That is January, March and December. Inga January illannu sollitaanga. So it should be in March or December. The person who likes cricket should be in the month born in the month March or December. Next, Zahir likes neither cricket nor aerobics. Neither nale you already know. Idhum illa adhum illa. Both are not correct. So Zahir not cricket nor aerobics. Next clue, the only 3 persons were born between the months in which the one who likes badminton and Virat was born respectively. So பேட்மிண்டனுக்கும் விராட்க்கும் நடுவுல 3 பேர் தான் இருக்காங்க. பட் நமக்கு யாரு முன்னாடி பிறந்தா யாரு அதுக்கு அடுத்த ஃபர்தர் மந்த்ஸ்ல பிறந்தாங்கன்னு தெரியாது. So we are making a double sided arrow mark. Yes, viewers, I think they have written all the clues they have given in the question. Now we are going to apply all these clues to form the table. Okay, now we can go with clue number 6 because நமக்கு இருக்கிற டேபிள்ல நம்ம கண்டுபிடிச்ச ஒரே பர்சன் வந்து கே மட்டும்தான், கபில் மட்டும்தான். ஸோ கபில் ரிலேட்டடா இருக்கிற க்ளூ பாத்தீங்கன்னா க்ளூ நம்பர் 6 மட்டும்தான். ஸோ 6ல பாத்தீங்கன்னா கபிலுக்கு மேல the one who likes ஃபார்முலா ரேசிங் பிராக்கெட்ல எதுக்கு போட்டிருக்கோம்னா அந்த கேம்ஸ் எல்லாமே பிராக்கெட்ல போட்டிருக்கோம். கேம்ஸ் இல்லாத பர்சன்ஸ் நேம் வந்து டைரக்டா பர்சன் நேமாவே மென்ஷன் பண்ணிருக்கோம். ஸோ கேக்கு மேல ஃபார்முலா ரேசிங். Yes, we have written it. Next, சச்சினுக்கு கீழே வாலிபால்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. அண்ட் ஒன் மோர் திங், சச்சின் வந்து 31 days இருக்கிற மந்த்ல பிறந்திருக்காங்கன்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. ஸோ டிசம்பர்ல சச்சின் வருமா? வராது. ஏன்னா சச்சினுக்கு கீழே வாலிபால் வர சான்ஸ் இருக்கா? இல்ல. ஸோ டிசம்பர் கீழே சச்சின், ஸோ இங்க சச்சின் வராது. வேற என்ன சான்சஸ் இருக்கு? either he would have born in January or March. So S1 S2 ரெண்டு பாசிபிலிட்டிஸ் இருக்குன்னு நம்ம மென்ஷன் பண்ணிருக்கோம். இப்போ ரெண்டு பாசிபிலிட்டி வரும்போது ஒரு சின்ன டேபிள் வச்சு நம்ம சால்வ் பண்றது ரொம்ப கஷ்டம். So just we are making two tables, two possibilities are there. So ஜான்வரியில சச்சின் பிறந்திருந்தால், if he has born in the month of January, then next person is the one who likes volleyball. So in February the person with volleyball is born. அதே இது இப்போ மார்ச்ல சச்சின் இஸ் bornனா அது செகண்ட் பாசிபிலிட்டில மென்ஷன் பண்ணிருக்கோம். person 2ல சச்சின் இருந்தா அதுக்கு நெக்ஸ்ட் மந்த் ஏப்ரல் மந்த்ல the person who likes volleyball would have born. நெக்ஸ்ட், பேட்மிண்டனுக்கும் விராட்க்கும் there is 3 spaces சொல்லிருக்காங்க. விராட் வந்து என்ன சொல்லிருக்காங்க? இந்த மந்த் ஆஃப் மார்ச், ஜனவரி, மார்ச் ஆர் டிசம்பர்ல விராட். if Virat has born in the month of March, ஏன்னா இங்க இந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பாசிபிலிட்டி ப்ராபபிலிட்டில பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஜான்ல ஆல்ரெடி சச்சின் இருக்காப்ல. so we are going with March. if he has born in the month of March, after 3 persons you will have the person who likes badminton, so it comes in the month of December. if he has born in December, then the person who likes badminton would have born after 3 months space, that is November, June, April. He would have born in March. See viewers, clue number 2ல badminton related கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. so we are going with that. badmintonக்கு மேல கங்குலி has born. இங்க badmintonக்கு மேல யார் இருக்கா? it is month February and Kapil has born. that is the direct clue given in the question itself. so இது கரெக்டா வருமா? no, அங்க பேட்மிண்டன் வராது. ஏன்னா பேட்மிண்டன் மேல we have to have Ganguly. Ganguly will not be coming there because Kapil has born in that month. so we are cutting badminton there. badminton அங்க இல்லனா Virat also will not come in the December month. so we are removing it. next, if second possibility ல பாத்தீங்கன்னா நம்ம மார்ச்ல தான் சச்சின் போட்டிருக்கோம். so January month ஃப்ரீயா இருக்கு. ஜனவரியில விராட் பிறந்திருந்தால் you will have badminton in the month of June because after 3 months space there is badminton. here Decemberல badmintonனா அதுக்கு prior monthல கங்குலி சொன்னனால நவம்பர் monthல கங்குலி இங்க மென்ஷன் பண்ணிருக்கோம், இந்த இடத்துல மென்ஷன் பண்ணிருக்கோம் viewers. and here எங்க badminton in the month of June probability 2ல வந்துச்சுன்னா in April Ganguly would have born. Next, after Zahir, two persons are there. Then comes the person who likes volleyball. நமக்கு இங்க volleyball mention பண்ணிருக்கோம். First probability லயும் சரி, second probability லயும். So based on that, we can place Zahir. So in probability 1, the person who likes volleyball is born in the month of February. So Zahir would have born after 2 months space, that is June. And here in April, the person who likes volleyball. So after 2 months space, we have Zahir here. In the upwards, that is the volleyball ku munnadi pathina 2 months with pathina already Virat is there. So you can't place Zahir in the month of January. So we are placing Zahir in the month of December. Next, the Dhoni was born in the month immediately before the month of the person who likes aerobics. So ரெண்டு கண்டினியூஸ் நமக்கு கேப் வேணும். ஏன்னா இது வரைக்குமே நம்ம தோனி பத்தியும் ஆரோபிக்ஸ் பத்தியும் இந்த எந்த க்ளூலினுமே நம்ம பார்க்கல. ஸோ ரெண்டு கண்டினியூஸ் ஸ்பேஸ் வேணும். ஒன்னு பர்சனுக்கு, அதுக்கு அடுத்ததுல கேமுக்கு இருக்கணும். இப்போ இங்க டிசம்பர்ல பர்சனா இருந்தால் இதுக்கு அடுத்தது கேம் வர சான்சஸ் இருக்கா? இல்ல. ஸோ ஒன்லி பாசிபிலிட்டி இஸ் ஹியர். ஏப்ரல்ல பர்சன் வச்சுட்டு நெக்ஸ்ட் மந்த் இஸ் aerobics. அதே மாதிரி probability 2ல பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஜூன்ல இருந்து person and next one will have aerobics. Okay, இப்ப aerobicsல தோனி பத்தி ரிலேட்டடா is there any clues? Yes, in clue number 5, aerobicsக்கு next இந்த the person who likes football has born. So aerobicsக்கு next football. Aerobics next football, that is June க்கு November la the person with football. And similarly in the probability box 2, aerobics க்கு the football. I think now we would have been clear why I did not put D here, because D inga potunda aerobics will come here. Aerobics க்கு the football inga vara chances illa. December is the last month of the year. Next clue, Zahir does not like cricket or not aerobics ன்னு சொல்லிருக்காங்க. இங்க நம்ம ஜாஹிருக்கு என்ன பிடிச்சிருக்கு? இந்த month of June, that is probability 1ல ஜாஹிர் aerobics போட்டிருக்கோம். Will it be correct? Because clue 8ல டேட்டா சொல்லிருக்காங்க he doesn't like cricket or aerobics சொல்லிருக்காங்க. So இங்க வருமா? So this will not come. Our possibility is possibility 2 தான் நமக்கு correct. Okay. Now, cricket and the person who likes cricket, that is clue number 7 pathina, the person who likes cricket is born in the month of March or December. Inga December la cricket varadhukku chance illa, already football is there. So only possibility is March. Remaining irukra ore oru game da, that is none other than the person who likes tennis. Persons la remaining person is Rohit. Yes, viewers, we have solved the table with 3 variables. Now we are going to solve the question and answers. Question number 1. How many persons were born between the months in which Sachin and Zahir were born? Sachinukum Zahirku nadula எத்தனை persons இருக்காங்க? எத்தனை persons has born? They have asked. Options: option A 2, option B 3, option C 4, option D 1, and option A is more than 3. இப்போ சச்சினுக்கு ஜாஹிருக்கு நடுவுல பாப்போம். April 1 month இருக்கு, that is Ganguly is there, then D இருக்கு, then R இருக்கு, then comes is Zahir. So 3 persons are between Sachin and Zahir. So option B 3 is the correct answer. Now we are going with the question number 2. 4 of the following 5 are alike in a certain way and so form a group. Which is the one that does not belong to the group? So it is none other than odd man out. Options: Virat Sachin is option A, and option B is Sachin and Dhoni. Option C is Kapil and Ganguly. Option D is Rohit and Dhoni, and option A is Ganguly and Rohit. We can see each option separately. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆப்ஷன் என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்க? விராத்துக்கும் சச்சினுக்கும். விராத்துக்கும் சச்சினுக்கு என்ன லிங்க் இருக்கு? In between there is a person who has born. That is Kapil இருக்காங்க in betweenல. Next, Sachin and Dhoni. Sachin Dhoniக்கு நடுவுலயும் there is a person, single person. Ganguly is there. Kapil and Gangulyக்கு நடுவுலயும் there is a single person, Sachin. Option D, Rohit and Dhoni. Rohit and Dhoni பாத்தீங்கன்னா they are immediate neighbors. Immediate monthsல they have born. Option E check பண்ணிடலாம். Ganguly and Rohit. Ganguly ரோஹித் பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஏப்ரல் நவம்பர் நடுவுல ஒரு மாசம் இருக்கு. So it is very clear that Rohit and Dhoni would be the odd man out because அவங்க ரெண்டு பேர் தான் immediate next அடுத்த மந்த்ல they have born. நம்ம क्वेश्चन ஆல்ரெடி சொல்லிருக்கோம். assume that all these months are in the consecutive form. அடுத்து இருக்கத assume பண்ணிருக்கோம். You don't go with logic and all. It's just an assumption. ஜூனுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் நவம்பர் இருக்கு அப்படினு. Our answer is option D, Rohit and Dhoni. Now we are going with the question number 3, viewers. Which of the following represents a person who were born in April and December respectively? Respectively na first person oda per da first month la paranda person oda per da first varanum and the person who was born in the last month avanga per da last la irukanum. Options: Option A, Ganguly and Zahir. Option B, Sachin and Dhoni. Option C, Zahir and Ganguly. Option D, Virat and Kapil. Option E, Rohit and Zahir. I think you would have already known the answer. Yes, April month who was born, it is Ganguly. And in the month of December, it is Zahir. So your answer should be Ganguly and Zahir. Question number 4. Which of the following statement is true? The one who likes cricket was born immediately after the month in which Kapil was born. Dhoni likes cricket. Rohit was born in the month which has 31 days. All of the above, none of the above are the options. We are checking with the option number 1. The person who likes cricket, that is, a person who likes cricket is the person who was born in month of March, that is none other than Sachin. Was born immediately after the month in which Kapil was born. Kapilukku immediate next month la Sachin irukangala? Yes, cricket pidichadu Sachinukku. Sachinukku prior month munnath month la Kapil. That is correct. Next, Dhoni likes cricket. Dhoni likes what? Badminton. Cricket கிடையாது. So second option தப்பா இருக்குங்கனால all of the above வர chances கிடையாது. So our answer is none other than option A. The one who likes cricket was born immediately after the month in which Kapil was born. As viewers, now we are going with the last question. That is question number 5. Who among the following born in the month which has the least number of days? Least number of days எது? நமக்கு ஆல்ரெடி தெரியும். நான் இயர்ல பார்த்தா least number of days in it goes with February because Februaryல தான் it will come either 28 days or 29 days. So least நால நமக்கு February தான். இங்க Februaryல யார் பிறந்திருக்கா? Yes, we can go with the options. நம்ம டைரக்டா क्वेश्चन வித் ஆன்சர் கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டோம். பட் இப்போ ஆப்ஷன்ஸையும் பாப்போம். எப்படி டைரக்டா கொடுத்திருக்காங்களா எப்படி கொடுத்திருக்காங்கன்னு. The one who likes football. Football பிடிச்சவங்களுக்கு football யாருக்கு பிடிக்கும்? Zahir, that is December, 31 days chance illa. The one who was born in the month just before Sachin. Sachinukku முன்னத்து மாசம் பிறந்தவங்களா? Yes, Sachinukku முன்னத்து மாசம் Februaryல பிறந்த Kapil. That is the correct answer. We are going with the next. We can check the other options also. The one who likes badminton. Badminton யாருக்கு பிடிக்கும்? Dhoniக்கு. That is June month. It's wrong because June has 30 days. Ganguly was born in April, that has 30 days. So least is the person who was born in the month of February, that is Kapil. He likes tennis. Okay, viewers, are you ready for challenge? Are you good at current affairs? Do you want to learn current affairs with fun? Please participate in Quiz with Rudu on Sunday 11 a.m. This week we are going to discuss July month current affairs. Yes, of course, Sunday means quiz day. And it is Quiz with Rudu. Yes, thank you viewers for watching the video. Press the like button, share the video with your friends, comment your thoughts about this video. If you have not yet subscribed our channel, please subscribe it and click the bell icon to get the notifications regularly. Yes, thank you viewers. Thank you for watching.